That's not sure that they don't have to punt the ball like they did last time.
Yeah, so what you're saying is we're not playing to just get out of the shot of your own goal line, right? You're playing to make sure the punter doesn't see the field again, so it's not picking up a couple of first downs. You want
Cam Newton on
That's fun.
As his guys have taken the lead here in the final 2 minutes. Well, we saw a close game that kept us on the edge of our seats down to that final whistle. And right before that final whistle, defense with one last exclamation mark there, getting the sack to end it.
I love how you phrased it because we were waiting to see what would happen. Obviously, we thought something would happen downfield. Instead, it happens in the offensive backfield, and that's your ball game.
So for the Cowboys, it'll be a .500 start as the win gets them back to 2-2. And they will head back home next week. Meanwhile, for the Saints, they'll drop down to 1-3. And they'll get a chance to redeem themselves at home next week.
Look.
And for Charles Davis, our entire crew here at EA Sports, I'm Brandon Gordon saying so long, everybody.
What is that exciting?
Nah. I'm going to tell you what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get Bridgewater